powering on and starting the UPS. Ensure that the positioning switch on the bypass module, power modules, and battery modules are locked. After the LCD starts up, perform quick settings. Finish quick settings. Check that the bypass input is normal and that the UPS is working in bypass mode. Start the UPS inverter. Inverter on. Enter the username and password and tap Enter. Tap Yes to start the inverter. View the system diagram to check that the UPS is working in normal mode. Check that the three-phase output voltage and frequency of the UPS are normal. Check that the actual battery capacity is consistent with the battery capacity setting on the LCD. Ensure that the battery strings are connected and then turn on their input switch. Turn on the output switch in the UPS output power distribution cabinet or the external output switch to supply power to loads.